Good morning, my dear students. Now we are going to discuss linear equation in a graph. So, for that first question, suppose draw linear equations in a graph. So, actual question is, suppose you have a two equation. Using this equation, we are going to analyze the particular solutions. For that, suppose you have a two linear equation. General form of the linear equation will be, you know that. So for that, suppose first question is given like that. So for that, A question is x plus y equal to 2 and x minus y equal to 3. So two equation given. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Actually two equation given. So you need to draw the line in a single graph sheet. This problem you need to draw the lines. For the solution we need to find. So let first equation x plus y equal to 2 and another one x minus y equal to 3. So here you know that we need to find the solution. For that y equal to 2 minus x and here minus y equal to 3 minus x. We need to multiply by minus. Multiply by minus on both sides. What happened? Minus of minus y equal to minus of 3 minus x. This is the meaning. So minus into minus plus y. So y equal to minus 3 plus minus into minus plus, so plus x. So I can write y equal to 3, sorry, x plus positive term first, 90 times second, x minus 3. So think about this thing, minus y equal to 3 minus x. Answer, y equal to, sign change, you know, minus x comes to plus x and my plus 3 changes minus 3. So just y equal to minus 3 plus x. That is, I can write x minus 3. Using this thing, I need to find the points. See, if x is equal to 0, what happened? Y equal to 2. So the point x is equal to 0. So automatically you can write 2 minus 0. So 2. So the point is 0, comma 2. The same way x is equal to suppose 1. Y equal to 2 minus 1, so value 1. So the point 1 comma 1. So 2 point enough to draw the particular line. So for the place I am going to write the points here. So for that first one, here x, y, so 0 comma 2. And the second one 1 comma 1. Similarly here I am going to substitute x is equal to suppose 0. What happened? Y equal to x minus 0. No need 0, 1, 2. You can substitute any number, but we need whole number. So think about the whole number. So y equal to x minus 0. That is y equal to here substitute x equal to 0. So 0 minus 3, so minus 3. Similarly, the point is 0 comma minus 3. So for this situation, x, y, so x value 0, y value minus 3, and x equal to suppose 3. You can just substitute 1, 2, but I am substitute 3. What happened? Y equal to 3 minus 3. Substitute x equal to 3. So for the 3 minus 3, 0. So the point is x value 3, y value 0. 3, 0. So for this equation x plus y, you have 2 points. For x minus y, you have 2 points. We need to draw in a single graph sheet. So for that, already you know that in our x axis, y axis, we are going to give the value all are 0, 1, 2, small numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. So up to 3 1, so no need. So 1, 2, 3, here 4. So this one minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Now think about that first one, 0, comma 2. So x also positive, y also positive. This is already you know the positive point. X value negative, y value positive. This one both are negative. X value also negative, y value also negative. This is x value positive, y value negative. Like that we need to analyze. Now 0, comma 2. X value 0, y value 2. This is 0, comma 2. And 1, comma 1. X value 1. Sorry, I am written wrongly. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, comma 2. Here only x value 0, y value 2. This is the point actually 0, comma 2. And next 1, comma 1. This is the point. So extend the line. So this is actually we need to write the equation like that. First equation x plus y equal to 2. That is first equation like that. And the second equation you have the points x value 0, y value minus 3. X value positive, y value axis. So 0, comma minus 3. Next x value 3, y value 0. So this value 3, comma 0. This is the point. Now just draw the next line. So this equation 3x plus 4y equal to, sorry, this one x minus y equal to, okay. In a single graph sheet you have 2 lines. Draw this one and analyze the point where it at exactly. This is the intersection point of this 2 lines. So analyze by using your graph sheet. So this one is given without graph sheet. Already you know that, but in this situation, better draw in your graph sheet. Don't draw in your rough note or any classwork note. Use graph sheet. So thing is draw 2 lines in a single graph sheet. Now you may analyze 2 lines. It intersect at only one point. Okay. In the same way, second x minus 2y equal to 0, comma 3x plus 4y equal to 20. The same situation, draw the linear graph in a single graph sheet. For that here, I am going to write the equation as minus 2y. Already solution started. Minus 2y equal to 0 minus x. So minus 2y equal to minus x. So y equal to minus x divided by 2 with minus 2. So y minus you can cancel x by 2. So y equal to x by 2. This is the situation. Okay. The same way, second one, consider 4y equal to 20 minus 3x. 4y equal to 20 minus 3x. Then y equal to 20 minus 3x, the whole divided by 4. Not possible to cancel any number. For this situation, how to find the point? This is a problem while solving the question. Here, no problem, you can draw easily. Here, the thing is how to draw this type of situations. So, for that, here, the point, first one, x is equal to 0, what happened? Y equal to 0 by 2, that is 0. So, the point 0, comma 0. The same way, x is equal to, you can choose 1. If you have 1, then answer is 1 by 2, 0.5, we need to flat. But you can choose 2, multiple of 2 in numerator. This is the idea. So here 2 is denominator. We need to write the multiple of 2 in the numerator. 2, 4, 6. This is the idea. So now I can substitute 2 or minus 2 or 4, minus 4 or 8, minus 8 like that, or 6 minus 8 and so on. Multiple of 2. So that's why x is equal to 2 implies y equal to 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. So the point 2 comma 1. Okay. Come to the situation this. So now I can draw the x value, y value. So 0 comma 0, here 2 comma 1. This is the point. Now think about this situation. Divided by 4. In numerator, in what value we going to substitute? That means we can get the multiple of 4. So multiple of 4 means 20 minus 3x, multiple of 4 or 8 or 12 or 16 or 20 if it possible. Then 20 minus 3x equal to 20 minus 3x, instead of 20 substitute 20 divided by 4, we get 5. So like that I need to find the numbers which is multiple of 4. 1 is 0 is easiest one. By substituting 0, 3 into 0 it's totally 0. So 20 by 4 only, it's multiple of 4, easy. The next one number is we need to think. So for that, if x is equal to 0, implies y equal to 20 minus 3 into 0 whole divided by 4. So 20 minus 3 into 0, 0 divided by 4. So 20 by 4 you have 5. So the point 0 comma 5. So this, suppose this 20 is not a multiple of 4. We need to make the numerator is the multiple of 4. Suppose is here 23. Instead of 20, you got 23 minus 3x divided by 4. Now we need, this is the multiple of just 4. So at that time, think about, if you have 3, then 23 minus 3 is what? 20. How it's possible 3? So I need to substitute x equal to 1. So 23 minus 3 into 1 divided by 4, that is 23 minus 3 divided by 4, that is 20 divided by 4, possible to cancel, so 5. So like that we need to think the numerator should be the multiple of the denominator. Right. Suppose x is equal to 1, we are going to substitute. What happened? 20 minus 3, 17. It's not multiple. So x is equal to 2. 20 minus 6. 20 minus 6, 14. Once again, not a multiple of 4. If x is equal to 3, suppose I am given that if x is equal to, substitute like that, 1, what happens? 20 minus, that is y equal to 20 minus 3 into 1 whole divided by 4, that is 20 minus 3 divided by 4, 17 by 4. No, this is somewhat difficult to do for the point. So try to find the whole number. So in this situation, avoid 1. So like that, it should be the multiple of 4. So for that, my idea I am going to give. Suppose this value is equal to 4. So 20 minus 3x equal to 8. What happened? By this we can find the x value. Equal to 4. By this we can find the x value. Equal to 12. By this we can find the x value. Like that. So for that, 20 minus 3x equal to suppose 4. So 4 minus 20, 16 only, not possible. So 8 suppose substitute. So 8 minus substitute means 20 minus 8 minus 20, 12. It's a multiple of 12, it's possible. So my idea is, if 20 minus x, 20 minus 3x equal to 4. Now minus 3x equal to 4 minus 20. So minus 3x equal to minus 16. X is equal to minus 16 divided by minus 3. Now not possible to divide. If this one is value 8, multiple of it next. So minus 3x equal to 8 minus 20. So minus 3x equal to minus 12. So x equal to minus 12 divided by minus 3. So that is 4 possible. So I am going to substitute 20 minus 3x equal to 8 means I need to substitute x is equal to 4. If x is equal to 1, not possible. X is equal to 2, not possible. X is equal to 3, not possible. Then x is equal to 4, possible. So x is equal to 4, how can I find? So by substituting that value. So this should be multiple of 4, 8, 16. By this I can get the whole number. So write this problem by substituting x is equal to 4. So if x is equal to 4, what happened? Y equal to 20 minus 3 into 4, 4 divided by 4. So 20 minus 3 4 so 12 divided by 4. So 20 minus 12, 8. So 8 by 4. So equal to 2. So that is 4 comma 2. So I am going to write the points here. So for the second equation, x value, y value, 0 comma 5. For the first one, 4 comma 2. Similarly, this one. X, y. So 0 comma 0. And next one, 2 comma 1. Okay. So for this, I am going to draw the graph. This x-axis, this one is y-axis. 0 to 1, 4 up to 5 all are positive. So here 0, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here 0 comma 0 for the first one. This is the 0 comma 0 origin. Next one 2 comma 1. X value 2, y value 1. This is the point 2 comma 1. Now join these points. We can write the equation. First x minus 2y equal to 0. This is the graph. Next one points 0 comma 5. That is x value 0, 0. Y value 5. Y value plus 5, no? So this is the point. 0 comma 5. Next x value 4, y value 2. Suppose this is the situation. So this one is 3x plus 4y equal to 20. So this is the graph. Now check the intersection point. It may be just points 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. So this one is the possible of intersection point 4 comma 2. So like that we can get the solution. So in a single graph we may draw the 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines. Here you have 2 lines, then how to find the intersection point. So draw this graph. Right. Now using this idea we may draw many graphs. For that draw the linear graph in that next one. Suppose the graph given like that. Next problem, x 2x plus y equal to 7, and the next one given 4x plus 2y equal to 20. Okay. So now you already know that y equal to 7 minus 2x. So x is equal to 0, then y equal to 7 minus 2 into 0. So 7 minus 0, 7. So 0 comma 7. Next x is equal to 1. So y equal to 7 minus 2 into 1. That is 7 minus 2. That is 5. So point 1, comma 5. So you have the graph x, y, 0 to 7, 1 to 5. This is the point. Easy. But here you have 2y equal to 20 minus 4x. Then y equal to 20 minus 4x divided by 2. Easiest one, because all are multiple of 2, you can substitute any number x equal to 0, 1, 2, and so on. Multiple of 2, multiple of 2, multiple of 2, no problem, you can substitute. If x is equal to 0, then y equal to 20 minus 4 into 0 divided by 0. That is 20 divided by 2. So 10. So 0, comma 10. This is the point. If x is equal to 1, then y equal to 20 minus 4 into 1 divided by 2. So 20 minus 4 divided by 2. So 16 divided by 2. So 8. So the point 1, comma 8. So I am going to write the point here. X value, y value. 0, comma 10 and 1, comma 8. Here 0, comma 7. Here 1, 5. Now I am going to draw the situation. For that, here values up to 8, 10 like this. So for that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x value becomes 0 to 1. So here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. For the first one 0, x value 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X value 0, y value 7. So 0, comma 7. Next x value 1, y value 5. So this is the second one. So equation x plus y equal to 7. Right? X plus y equal to 7. First one. Similarly, 0, comma 10. X value 0, y value 10. This is 0, comma 10. And x value 1, y value 8. X value 1, y value 8. So that is actually our problem. 2x plus 4y equal to 8. X value 0, y value 3x plus 3y equal to 21. Uh, 2x plus 4y equal to 8. X value 0. Zero comma 7, 1 comma 5, no problem. X value 0, y value 7, x value 1. Y value 2x plus y equal to 7. Sorry. 2x plus y equal to 7. This is the situation. So for that x value 0, y value 7, x value 1, y value 5. 4x plus 2y equal to 20. For that x value 0, y value 10, and next one x value 1, y value 8. So here this is the situation. So actually this is 4x plus 2y equal to 20 because x value 1, y value 8. This is the situation. Now think about the previous problem. In this problem you may think the solution, but here not possible any solution because 2x plus 7 plus y, we get this equation, this line. For 4x plus 2y equal to 20, you get this equation. So this is the situation when we are going to draw the line, it never meets at anywhere. So you can get the parallel lines. It never going to meet at anywhere. Such type of things you may draw. Okay. Such type of things you may draw. This is the actual solution. So one is we given the idea in a single graph we may draw the two lines. It may meet or it never meet. Okay, this idea. And the next one I am going to give the problem. The problem is draw the graph. Actually, third one. Draw the graph or draw the region in a graph bounded by x-axis, y-axis, x plus y equal to 3. This is the situation, suppose. So x-axis, now just x-axis means this is the equation y equal to 0. This is the line actually. Y-axis means x is equal to 0. This is the equation. So this thing we need to study. In your graph sheet, x-axis, y-axis. We needed to draw y equal to 0 equation. Already you know that y value fixed on x value vary. We already studied this thing previously. Just the previous class only we studied. So y equal to constant, it should be the horizontal line, and the distance is here the constant. Here the distance is no. So that this is the equation y equal to 0 axis. X-axis y equal to 0 and x equal to 0. That is y-axis. This is the y-axis, no. So y-axis x value 0. That is distance. That is vertical and distance is no from your y-axis. So that is 0. So here y value vary, but x value fixed one. X value fixed one as 0. Here y value fixed as 0. So that's why this is the equation. This axis is equation y equal to 0. This axis is equation x is equal to 0. We may draw this situation also from our previous class. Y equal to constant and x is equal to constant situation. Now two lines and bounded by another line also given. So for that we need to find the solution or points of the graph. The solution let y equal to 0. That is x-axis. Right like that. X-axis. That is y equal to 0. Right like the first equation. This is the first line. Next. Y-axis. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Right like this is the second equation. Now, just we need to find the points of this one. X plus y equal to 3. Just draw like that. Y equal to 3 minus x. Now already you know this how to find the point. If x is equal to 0, then y equal to 3 minus 0, that is 3. So the point is 0, 3. And Next one, x is equal to 1 implies y equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. The point 1 comma 2. So actual point x, y. So first one 0 comma 3, next one 1 comma 2. This is the situation. Now we are going to draw the graph. X axis, no y axis. This is the point no is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. For that I am going to draw first x axis. X axis means this is the line y equal to 0, x axis. You don't bother about what is this, just x axis, this is the line. Next, just draw by using a pencil or any pen or any color. So here just use different color. That's all. Draw. And the next one y axis, x is equal to 0. Draw this one. This one. Okay. Next one, the points 0 comma 3. So x value 0, this line x value 0, y value 3. This is the point 0 comma 3. Next 1 comma 2. X value 1. X value 1, y equal to 2. X equal to 1, y equal to 2. Okay. Suppose we may find other point also by our choice. Suppose here 3 no. If x equal to 3, totally y equal to 0. That is y equal to 3 minus x equal to 3 implies. So, what about the next point also you can judge by yourself 3. So, y equal to 3 minus 3, so 0. So, 3 comma 0 also possible. X value 3, y value 0. 3 comma 0 also possible. So, that is the point. So, now we need to draw the region bounded by y axis. So, this is the intersection point. No, this is the starting point. This is one vertex. And the axis intersection. This is another vertex. Another line intersect the axis. This is another vertex. So, it's bounded by 3 vertex. So, it's bounded by 3 lines. So, it's a triangle. So, now set the region like that. Using dotted line or using a shared draw this. So this is the bounded region of this lines. This idea needed to draw the particular graph. Thank you.